And my camera died. But anyways, we're back at the car and both of the front axles are finally replaced, and all I really want to do is just take it out for a quick test drive just to make sure that everything is okay. I did have a opportunity to go into like a church parking lot, and I did some circles just to hear if there's any weird clicking or anything like that, but it seems like everything is, you know, posted down on it, so I think we're good. But there's only one way to find out, so let's take it out for a quick drive. Let's get a seatbelt on here. The car's really coming along. Cosmetically it looks the same, but mechanically it drives so much better. If you didn't see the previous episode, before fixing the throttle position sensor, this car was just absolutely hopeless. Not a very fast car to start with, but when it has issues like that, it could be even worse. Come on. Now I have another issue where the thermostat isn't closing all the way, so it stays cold for the most part, so I think I need to take that out and investigate further what's going on there. So it's almost like the engine stays cold all the time, but I'm not getting any weird noises or anything like that, so usually a good sign. Especially with suspension components, you always want to make sure that you secure everything and torque things down to spec, because that's just the last thing you need, right? It's just like a piece of your suspension flying off because you didn't tighten it all the way down. And of course we're in front of a student driver. Ay, ay, ay. I think I'll go this way. I kind of want to get one of those student driver stickers just to be kind of trolly, but I know I probably shouldn't either. Oh yeah, it feels so much better. Yeah, it really goes. It's fun because you can just keep your foot in it all the time, because there's basically little to no power, but it's still real good fun. Steering, it's not as precise as I would like it to be. Maybe like the tie rods are worn out or something, but it just, there's like this very dead on feeling when you're on center that I've never really felt in another Civic. I'll have to investigate further, but when it comes to the axles, it made a huge difference. Huge difference. It's not even the clunking noise either, because when both of the axles are bad on each side, you actually have a loss of power too. And these were in such bad shape. I mean, one of them literally had to cut in half because it was just stuck. I'll take it up the hill and see how it does. That'll be the real test too for replacing the throttle body. But I think the issue's fixed. Another thing too is that airbag light. I don't know what that means. Maybe the airbags got unplugged or somebody replaced them. Who knows? All right, let's see here. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Oh, that was a big tree. Let's see the turning radius on this guy. All right, so if the CVs were bad, they'd be making all kinds of funky noises right now, but not even a peep. Awesome. Yeah, the car drives really nice. I might even just start driving this every day. These Civics are always pretty good on gas. The interior definitely needs some attention, just like even the headliner's drooping on me a little bit in the front here, but hey, I'm not too hard to please here. Yeah, fun little car. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.